Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. And also I want to welcome the students of 11th Science, and now the chapter is redox reaction. Now in the part 7C, I want to explain balancing redox reaction by ion electron method with two examples. Now here, what is ion electron methods? Here ions and electrons are involved, that is why it is called ion electron method, and this method also called half reaction method. What is mean half reaction? The equation what is given, that is separated to the half reaction. Two half reaction mean one is reduction, other one is oxidation. In one half reaction reduction takes place, that is addition of electron takes place. In other, that is a half reaction where oxidation takes place, that is loss of electron takes place. Now you can see the example MnO4 minus 1. What is MnO4 minus 1? Permanganate ion plus SO2, and it gives Mn plus 2 HSO4 minus 1. Now in this question, whether it is acidic medium or basic medium is not given, but when we will do one by step to balance the equation, automatically we can see whether it is acidic medium or basic medium. Now this the question MnO4 minus 1 plus SO2, that means these are in ionic form. This is molecule, but this is ion, and this also ions. That means the first point here we should say the equations will be converted to ionic form. That means already the question is given in ionic form, but here we will see what is the half reaction, oxidation reduction takes place, other half reaction what is that one, oxidation or reduction takes place. Now you can see here MnO4 minus 1 changes to Mn plus 2. That means MnO4 minus 1 changes to Mn plus 2, and now manganese 1 here, but when we will say first what is the oxidation number of manganese here, because it is clear it is plus 2, so we will find here what is the oxidation number of manganese. Now see, it is 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8, and it should be plus 7, so that sum of the oxidation number in our the MnO4, that means manganese and oxygen, and the result should come to minus 1. So it is plus 7, and now it changes to plus 2. That means 5 electrons you will add. When you will add 5 electrons, here it changes to Mn plus 2. That means here reduction takes place. Here reduction takes place. In this case, this is called half reaction where reduction takes place. Now MnO4 minus 1, it gives Mn plus 2, okay. Now the oxidation number, the electron is balanced, but when you come to O4, that means how many oxygen atoms are present in the reactant side, that is 4 oxygen atom, so 4 water. 4 water means 4 oxygen present, 4 water. That means here it is balanced. The oxygen on the reactant side 4 oxygen and deficiency in the product side, that is why 4 water I put here. Now when the oxygen is balanced, then come to hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there in product side? In product side 4 into 2, 8 hydrogen, but the reactant side there is deficiency of hydrogen on the reactant side, whereas in product side there are 8 hydrogen. Then what to do? Hydrogen can be balanced only by H plus ion. Since there are 4 hydrogen, 4 into 2, that means 8 hydrogen, that is why I will put here 8H plus. That means here 8H plus, when I put, already it is totally balanced. That means MnO4 minus 1, 5 electron, 8H plus, and it gives Mn plus 2, 4 water. Again see MnO4 minus 1, the permanganate ion changes to Mn plus 2, where here electron, that is the oxidation number involved is plus 7, plus 7 changes to plus 2, that is why 5 electron added, and that is example of redox reaction. This half reaction is redox reaction, and after that we will see oxygen atom here. Since 4 oxygen atoms are there, so here I put here 4 water. But again hydrogen is not balanced. Here 8 hydrogen, but on the reactant side there is deficiency of hydrogen of 8 hydrogen. That is why again I will put here 8H plus here so that the hydrogen balance. Now the half reaction, that is reduction, where reduction takes place, it is already balanced. Now again we will see how SO2 changes to HSO4 minus 1, and here what are the oxidation number of sulfur we will check and see, and that should be oxidation reaction. Now second half reaction. What is the second half reaction here? SO2 changes to HSO4 minus 1. What is HSO4 minus 1? That is bisulfate ion. That means SO2 is a molecule that changes to HSO4 minus 1. Now you will see what is the oxidation number of sulfur in the reactant side and sulfur that in the product side. Now you can check here, since SO2, O2 mean 2 into minus 2 minus 4, and that should be here plus 4, the oxidation number of sulfur is plus 4. Now in this case HSO4 minus 1, the sum of the oxidation number of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen, that is equal to minus 1. So that here how can you calculate the oxidation number of sulfur here? O4 minus 8. O4 mean 4 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 8. And next is sulfur. What is the sulfur? Now check here, hydrogen plus 1. So here it is minus 8 and this one plus 1. That is why sulfur should have plus 6 oxidation number, so that the sum of the oxidation number of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen should be minus 1. So here in the reactant side sulfur is plus 4. In the product side sulfur is plus 6. That means here there should be loss of electrons, so that increase of positive valency takes place. Then how many? Plus 4 changes to plus 6. That is why 2 electrons sulfur loses. So here you can say oxidation takes place. That means here this half reaction is oxidation, wherever that first one, that is reduction. Now sulfur dioxide loses 2 electron, it changes to SSO4 minus 1. Now what is our duty? Sulfur is already balanced. That is why we will check the balancing of oxygen. Now balancing of oxygen, how? On the reactant side you can see 4 oxygen are there. In the product side 2 oxygen are, sorry, on the product side 4 oxygen, in the reactant side 2 oxygen. That means reactant side 2, product side 4, means deficiency in the reactant side. How many? 2. 2 oxygen deficiency in the reactant side. That is why 2 water you will put. 2 water you will put in the reactant side. Now oxygen is balanced. Then again you will check, after oxygen again I will check the balancing that of hydrogen. Now you can check product side 1 hydrogen and reactant side 3 hydrogen. That means there is deficiency of hydrogen on the product side. That means 3H plus. Here how many? See again, there are 4 hydrogen on the reactant side, 1 hydrogen on the product side. That means 3 deficiency in the product side. That is why I put 3 hydrogen H plus, 3H plus. Now hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is balanced and sulfur also balanced, and electron, that is 2 electron it loses, so it is oxidation reaction. Now equation 1, which is reduction, and second equation 2, that is oxidation. 2 half reaction we will add. Then see here, this is the first reaction where equation is like this. This is the second half reaction where oxidation takes place. First one, this one reduction takes place, and this one oxidation takes place. That means you will add here. But what happened here? Now electrons should be balanced. Electrons should be balanced mean here 5 electrons are there and here 2 electrons are there. First equation 5 electrons and second equation 2 electrons. That is why how can you cancel the electrons? So in the first equation I should multiply by 2, and now the second equation, that is multiply by 5. So here what happened? Automatically the electron, that is cancel each other, because 2 into 5, that is 10 electron, and 5 into 2, 10 electron. That means according to the balancing, according to the cancelling of electrons on both half reaction, you will multiply a simple digit. Now here what happened, 2 MnO4, since it is 2 multiplied by 2, after addition you can check here 2 MnO4 minus 1, and now here it is sulfur dioxide, that is multiplied by 5, so 5 SO2 and 2 water, that means here 10 water because it is multiplied by 5, and it is 2 multiplied by 2, so it is 16H plus. Now reactant side completed because already electrons are cancel each other. Now here this is the reactant side. Then come to product side, it is multiplied by 2, so 2 Mn plus 2 and 2 into 4 8 water, and next second equation C, here multiplied by 5, that is why 5 HSO4 minus 1 and 15H plus. You can check here on both side water there, on both side H plus ion are there. Then what to do? First you see on the reactant side 16H plus and product side 15H plus. That means 1 H plus should be on the reactant side after cancelling, because 15 cancelling remain 1 H plus. Similarly, reactant side 10 H2O, product side 8 H2O. That means 8 H2O should be cancelled and remaining 2 H2O on the reactant side. Then what is the final balance equation? 2 MnO4 minus 1 plus 5 SO2 H plus 2 water, error mark you can write balance equal mark, and 2 Mn plus 2 5 HSO4 minus 1. Now water and H plus 8 water and 15H plus they cancel, only reactant side H plus and water are there. Again see first half reaction, that is reduction, second half reaction, that is oxidation, and here by balancing oxygen you should add 2 water, and here balancing hydrogen you should add 3H plus. Now both are added and finally you will get the last result. And since 5 electrons in the first equation and 2 electrons in the second equation, that is why first equation that is multiplied by 2 and second equation that is multiplied by 5, so that you are getting the final balance equation. Now you will see another example where that is one basic medium. The second. Now see, this is the example 6 where it is basic medium. The question that is in basic medium, how can you balance? Now here Cl2O7, that is with a hydrogen peroxide, it gives ClO2 minus 1 water and H plus. Leave the H plus because basic medium is given. Lastly we will check after addition of half reaction both. We will check what is H plus is this side or not, we will check it. Now first you write Cl2O7 ClO2 minus 1. That means here Cl2O7, see what is the oxidation number of fluorine here. For 2 chlorine it is for plus 14. That means for 1 chlorine it is what that one, 1 chlorine plus 7. And now here it changes to what, Cl plus 3. How? O2 means minus 4 and it should be plus 3, so that the sum of the oxidation number equal to minus 1. Now it is clear, this chlorine it is plus 7 and this chlorine it is plus 3. So there is a change of, that means decrease of positive valency by 4. That means here addition of electron takes place. How many? 4 electrons should be added. But here what happened, there are 2 chlorine, here 1 chlorine. For 2 chlorine it should be 8 electrons. That means you can say here reduction, this half reaction where reduction takes place, and here 8 electrons that is added. But what about chlorine? Chlorine is not balanced, that is why I put here 2 ClO2 minus 1 plus 3, then come to plus 3 water. Why plus 3 water? Because after chlorine we should make balance of oxygen. You know all the atoms should be balanced except hydrogen and oxygen. Now oxygen should be balanced by water molecule. Now what happened here? 7 oxygen and here 4. 2 into 2 means 4 oxygen. Then how many oxygen deficiency this side? 3 oxygen deficiency on the product side. Sorry, 3 oxygen deficiency on the product side. How? Because there are 4 oxygen on the product side and there are 7 oxygen on the reactant side. That is why 3 oxygen deficiency on the product side. You know, any deficiency of oxygen can be balanced by water molecules. So, how many same water molecule? 3 oxygen deficiency means 3 water molecule it is added on the product side. Then what about on the reactant side? See here, after that we will make balance of hydrogen. You know, hydrogen should be balanced by H plus ion. Now check how many hydrogen deficiency on which side. There are 6 hydrogen on the product side, but there is no hydrogen on the reactant side. That means there is deficiency of 6 hydrogen on the product side. Then what to do? Sorry, 6 hydrogen deficiency on the reactant side. That means again see 3 into 2, 6 hydrogen present on the product side, and there is deficiency of 6 hydrogen on the reactant side. That is why I should add 6H plus on the reactant side. Now it is balanced. Since it is basic medium, then how many H plus is added where? On the reactant side or product side, I should add same number of OH minus. So here I have added 6 OH minus on the reactant side. Not only reactant side but also on the product side I have added 6 OH minus, because what is the rule? How many H plus ion present on which side? That side you will add same number of OH minus. Side by side the other side also will add same number of OH minus. Now this 6H plus and 6 OH minus, what happened? That can be replaced by water molecule. Are you clear? 6H plus and 6 OH minus, they will give 6 water. That can be replaced by 6 water on the reactant side. Already product side 3 water are there, and now 3 water is cancelled on the product side. Then what is the last equation? Cl2O7, 8 electron plus 3 water, because 3 water on the product side, that is cancelled. And what is product? 2ClO2 minus plus 6OH minus. Now this is the half reaction where reduction takes place. This is reduction half reaction. Surely the other one should be oxidation half reaction. Now what is that one? H2O2 changes to O2. That means how many electrons loses? 2 electron, because minus 1 changes to 0. That means, but here 2 oxygen are there, that is why 2 electron it loses. Hydrogen peroxide loses how many electron? 2 electron. So that here oxygen molecule have 0 oxidation number, and that means here electrons are not removed. So you can say that is, this is oxidation takes place. Here what is that one? Oxidation takes place. Here reduction takes place, and here oxidation takes place. Now our duty to balance oxygen and hydrogen on both sides. Now this is the second half reaction where oxidation takes place. The second half reaction, that means here oxidation takes place where hydrogen peroxide loses 2 electron to give oxygen, where the oxidation number is 0. For 1 oxygen, that is 1 electron, 2 oxygen, that is 2 electron. Now you can check here, already oxygen is balanced. The next we will see what is about hydrogen. To balance hydrogen in deficiency side, I should add H plus ion. Here 2 hydrogen, and since the product side there is deficiency of hydrogen, that is why put 2 H plus here. Now here hydrogen, oxygen, electron balance, but since it is basic medium, what to do? I told for basic medium which side H plus ion are there? How many H plus ions are there? Same OH minus should be added on both sides. 2H plus ion on the product side, that is why 2H minus will be added on the product side by side 2H minus will be added on the reactant side. Now you see 2H plus already there and 2OH minus, that means both ions can be replaced by water molecule. So this can be replaced by this water molecule. Now what happens? Now this side you can see, this side 2H minus, this side 2 water. What is the last equation where a hydrogen peroxide H2O2 minus 2 electron plus 2H minus, that on the reductant side, reactant side, and the product side O2 2 water, because 2H plus 2H minus can be replaced by 2 water. Now the second reaction where oxidation takes place, that is balance. What to do? First equation reaction, half reaction, and second equation, that is the second half reaction. In first reaction where reduction takes place, and second half reaction where oxidation takes place. Now adding 1 and 2 equation, then what happens? This is the half reaction where reduction takes place, where this is the oxidation takes place. So what happens? You will add this one. Now what to first duty is, you will cancel the number of electrons. Now here in first equation there are 8 electrons, and second equation there are 2 electrons. That is why to cancel both the equation, that is electron, how can you cancel? And the second equation should be multiplied by 4, so that first one plus 8 electron and second one minus 8 electron. That means it is cancelled. And that is why after that we can add Cl2O7, correct, 3H2O, here 4 times multiply hydrogen peroxide, 4H2O2, and now 2OH minus, here are putting 2 into 4, 8OH minus, and now here 2ClO2 minus 6OH minus 4O2, and 4 into 2, that is 8 water. Now what happens here? Here you should add water, 3 water, and 3 water plus 8 OH minus. Here 3 water, 8 OH minus, 2 ClO2 minus 1, 6 OH minus, 4 oxygen, 8 water. Now see, both side water's molecule are there, both side OH, both side water molecules are there. Now what to do? First you see this side 6 OH minus on the product side, on the reactant side this is 8 OH minus. That means both side water molecules are there and both side OH minus are there. So that is why I will cancel the OH minus and water which side. See here 3H2O on the reactant side and here 8H2O on the product side. That is why this 3 water molecule cancel and here 5 water molecule on the product side. Similarly on the reactant side, that is 8OH minus, and product side, that is 6OH minus, write clearly. So here 8OH minus. Then what to do here? 8OH minus, that is reactant side, 6OH minus on the product side. That is why here 6OH minus cancel and 2OH minus on the reactant side. So last final result, Cl2O7 plus 4H2O2, 2OH minus, that is you can put equal mark also, 2ClO2 minus, and it is already cancelled, 4O2, and here 5 water molecule. Again see, this is the basic medium, that is why we should check addition of OH minus and where it is required. Where H plus is there, how many H plus, that we should add same number of OH minus on the both side. And after adding these two, equation 1 where reduction takes place and equation 2 where oxidation takes place, and this is the final result. And so now it is balance in basic medium. Now already I have explained the balancing redox reaction by ion electron method, that is half reaction method. I hope it is clear. You can do any question what you will get, and if it is not possible then ask me in my comment box. And next is our how the redox reaction is the basis for the acid base titration. Acid base titration, what is acid base titration and what is, how it is related to redox reaction, that one I will explain in my coming video. I hope you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet Chemistry, and thanks for watching.